Now, when the Kundalini awakens, not only does it enliven all the chakra systems and the energetic, all the nerves, the ganglia, the blood, but it enlivens and christens and awakens and stimulates and vibrates electricity and Christ consciousness throughout every single one of your 100 trillion plus cells. It awakens the cells, it gets into the cytoplasm and inside of the cell membrane, and it begins to stimulate the mitochondria. It goes into the nucleus and taps into the power of the DNA and turns that on. And for those who don't know, the cell is basically the basic building blocks of your entire physiology. They contain fluid, they contain DNA, they all contain different information, but they can also contain light. And when Kundalini awakens, it stimulates all 100 trillion plus of your cells and turns them on like light bulbs and tethers your cellular consciousness to the absolute. So now you have God intoxication, or Christ consciousness, actually moving through your cells at different wavelengths of vibrations, and you actually become like a receiver of divine energy. You become a divine superconductor. You become a superconductor of the divine. Now your cells begin to vibrate at the various frequencies of the higher dimensional wavelengths, and now you can actually feel those frequencies. You become one with them, and that's when the angels come into play. We have a perfect circle around us at any given point in time with a group of angels that are always watching us, trying to communicate with us, etc. But those angels, for us to communicate with them and see them, require the Kundalini energy to be moving through us. Now, in order for us to experience our aura and the various subtle organizing energy fields of our body that we now see as, we can't see them, they're invisible. We have to awaken the Kundalini. So I'm going to stop kind of babbling about that. I just wanted to get some preliminary information out there. I wanted to talk about ways to stimulate Kundalini. Now, I experienced Kundalini in my early 20s as a byproduct of lifelong searching for the answers to life's questions. I was always questioning. I always felt at a young age that there was more to meet than meets the eye. I wanted to know the truth. And that put me on kind of a self-induced journey of searching throughout my entire life. I became very interested in this at a very young age. I didn't know at that point that it was called Kundalini. Thank you for watching. I hope that my channel and my messages, my passion, you name it, can inspire you today to take better care of your health. There's nothing more important than taking daily steps towards greater health. Health impacts every part of your life, ladies and gentlemen. Physical, mental health, emotional health, spiritual health, you name it. It addresses every part of our lives. Health is indeed the divine foundation that we need to have so that we can achieve the life that we want. This is Lord Ganesh, the remover of obstacles, and I hope that the obstacles in your life, if you have them, can clear, and that you can attain your heart's desire. I do indeed hope that we can achieve a greater state of being here in this world. We weren't designed to have to deal with all this insanity here in this world, and I do believe, ladies and gentlemen, that if we take greater steps towards our health and we envision a greater world, we can get closer to achieving that. So I just wanted to wrap this one up with a thank you, and until next time, peace be with you all.